Want celebrity like eyebrows? You are in the right place. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shivani, your aesthetic physician and cosmetologist, and today we are diving into one of the most popular semi-permanent beauty treatment, that is eyebrow pigmentation. If you have sparse, thin or uneven brows, then this treatment can give you fuller, natural looking eyebrows with long lasting result. In this video, I'll cover what is eyebrow pigmentation, the step-by-step procedure, aftercare and results. My expert tip for the best outcome. Let's get started. What is eyebrow pigmentation? Eyebrow pigmentation, also known as micropigmentation or semi-permanent makeup, is a cosmetic tattooing technique that enhances and shapes the eyebrows using medical grade pigment. It is different from microblading, which uses tiny cuts, whereas pigmentation involves machine-based pigment infusion, making it more suitable for all skin types, including oily skin. It looks natural, lasts longer than microblading, which is 12 to 24 months, customizable to match your skin tone and hair color. Now let's move on to the actual procedure. Step 1. Consultation and brow mapping. We analyze your face shape, skin tone and brow symmetry to design the perfect shape. A pre-drawing is done to outline the brows, and we finalize the pigment color based on your natural hair and skin undertone. Why is eyebrow mapping important? It ensures symmetry, which prevents uneven brows customized to your face. Not all brow shapes suit everyone. It creates balance and frames the eyes beautifully, acts as a guideline and helps with precision for permanent or semi-permanent procedures. Now step 2 is numbing the area. A topical numbing cream is applied 15 to 20 minutes to minimize discomfort. Step 3. Pigmentation application. Using a micro-needling device or a specialized tattoo machine, we gently implant the pigment into the skin in fine strokes. The process takes about 1 to 2 hours depending on the desired shape. Now step 4. Final touch and healing process. Once completed, a healing balm is applied and we provide aftercare instruction to ensure perfect healing. Post-treatment care. Avoid touching or scratching the area. No sweating, swimming or sauna for at least 7 days. No makeup on the brows until healing is complete. Apply healing ointment as advised. Expect mild scabbing or color fading in first 7 to 10 days. The color lightens by 30 to 40% during healing and settles into a natural shade. Now talking about results and follow-up. Initial results visible after 2 weeks. Touch-up session after 4 to 6 weeks for the best outcome. Lasts 12 to 24 months depending on the skin type and lifestyle. For longer lasting result, avoid excessive sun exposure or harsh exfoliants on the brow area. This procedure is for people with thin, sparse or over-plucked eyebrows. Those who want well-defined, fuller brows, suitable for all skin types including oily skin. Not recommended for pregnant women or people with active skin infection. Now final thoughts and call of action. Eyebrow pigmentation is an amazing low maintenance solution for perfect brows every day. If you are considering it, always consult a certified professional for the best results. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe for more skincare and aesthetic tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.